Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to review RBX.Fund, which is unfortunately another free Robux scam. So as you can see, you have here on Malware Tips and Scam Advisor. So as the title says, don't fall for the RBX.Fund free Robux scam. So as you may know, or may have noticed by this point, that sites like these that claim to give free Robux are indeed a scam. So like 99.999% of them are a scam. So please, if you ever come across sites like these who claim to give you free Robux, are a scam. So as you can see, if you go here, so they go over how the RBX.Fund.com Robux scam works. So first one is the advertising of free Robux, and another one is prompting users to input their username, and then taking users through verification, and then not a surprise, never receiving the promised Robux. So please do not fall for these. They offer up for like 5,000 or even more. They offer like 50,000, 100,000 Robux for free by just clicking something or like doing these tasks or sharing your personal information. So please do not fall for these scams. They are very dangerous and very shady. And if you go on here to Scam Advisor, they're rated 1 out of 100. And as you can see, there are a lot of negative highlights for RBX.Fund. So please do not fall for this site. But fortunately, right here, if you go to RBX.Fund, they do not exist anymore, and this site cannot be reached. And maybe they have been taken down already since they are flagged a scam. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.